in the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, when I know place to go, out on runway number 9, Big 707 set to go, but I'm stuck here in the ground.